call this a storm? Yeah. Come on. That's like a death is standing there in the window right there. Got the horns on top right there, the horns, and then we got the shoulders right there on the side. We got the person. That's creepy. Yeah, all right, I like that. Yeah, come on, flash harder. Yeah, all right. Ozzy, quiet. Quiet. That really sucks ass. Little blue spot right there in the sky. There's a little bitty blue spot right there. Look at that little blue spot. Little bitty blue spot. Don't go away, blue spot. I love you. No. Just stay there, blue spot. You're my only hope. Don't go away, blue spot in the sky. Your little frickin' spot in the sky that I can see the frickin' atmosphere. And yeah. If the power went out right now, I will punch myself in the balls. Woo! Yeah! That was really, really bright. That's gonna be really loud too. There it is. That was really bright. Oh my god. Ooh, this is a really good storm, guys. Oh my god. That blue spot is still there, though. As long as that blue spot stays there, I'll be okay. These two stupid bastards walking in the middle of the road in the middle of a rainstorm. Ooh. Oh, look, another blue spot. There's blue spots in the sky everywhere. I wonder why it's storming so hard. We've got blue spots everywhere. Blue spot right there, and there's a blue spot right there. Storm. The storm is over there, guys. Yeah, it's passing by really quick. Okay. I like a good storm.